Hi, it's Coogee Care Centre. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in and out by using your Xplor app. Logging into your account. If you don't have a password, contact the centre. You'll then receive an email with a password reset link. Your link will be active for 2 hours. To sign your child in or out, your app will open on its homepage. Tap the orange sign in and out bar and place the QR code found at our gates within the orange lines. Now we're on our homepage. Scan your QR code. Select your child's name and then press confirm. This process is used for both signing in and out. You'll also have a willing educator at the gate each day to support you with this.